reached the voicemail box of...
Right to the voicemail. Jody! Jody!
Yo,
Jody!
big man, I want him.
Right, Joshy. I don't even see you did this, sir. So I go on. You know Jody over there.
I want to go on me. I wanted me hard.
So make you go on somewhere you know sir Jody me come link.
Yo, man, just stop on me yard now, man. Family big already. I'm nobody for me if you hustle hard now. I want to come breed my sister and Ackeen over and my few women now. So we have to stop coming away yard.
Oh, so you did feel. You can't tap me from get your sister. Whether you like me or not, but a plan to be your brother-in-law. See, as I mentioned, boy, your family big. But a plan say you will get some niece and nephew in a lot.
Oi! How would that call?
Oh, Miss Joyce.
Oi!
You know, sir, Jody me come check.
You know, so Jordan no there kind of gone up the road a little bit. Come man, come Trevor. Sit down this. Go on.
You know, so me just come off of work and Jody me come give you one link. But, you know, say, me see the one boys out the gate. They come to talk up in the mouth. They come tell me, you know, say, he no want me back over the yard. I'm not going to watch me now. Watch him.
Boys, sure, no pay boys don't mind man. You know, that's when you take him when you're ready. That's when you look follow up and big up yourself in a conversation. No pay him no mind. Boys they provide ya. Boys they can't provide nothing. All in do and go nyam. We meet to see the nyam. And where you think his money come from? In the work? No pay boys no mind man. No pay boys no mind.
Alright then, mama. Me go forget about that. Can you see a pick out some Ackee there? The national dish. Can I get some dinner later?
Why? But I repeat them out and left them not even the Jody she come back here, you know, because even she want me cook and so maybe me not bother cook, so she they cook this evening. I make sure so me pick the Ackee off of the tree, we pick them out and I make her in the kitchen up there. So when she comes, she cook it. She must know if she want to get it because you and she are friend.
You know, say mama, I really want to get serious with Jody. Because I even go look on a ring downtown. There cause me not be like the young boy out the road. Play and make no joke with Jody, you know. I want to get serious with the man. So we can start a family.
That sounds good, starting a family. But you have to know, say you have to wear it and we can keep up with it. Because we said one thing and then no, we not find. So you try to build somewhere to put in because you and Jody can't live here now. There's no private fee, man and woman, and when man take a woman, it's supposed to provide it to her and go live. Because Jody is a girl like this, you know, so she have her own way. And two big women can't stay in one house. So hopefully, you have to finish somewhere if she live before you can marry.
No man, mommy. You know, so I really check for Jody and respect Jody. Love Jody. You know, so I even start one little thing up on the hill there. And little boardhouse. Maybe further on down in our life we can do as man and woman and start another. Like building a block or so forth.
So Jody, you is good. Because most of them man nowadays, them now think about physical down. Them go on one pitney or so, one pitney this so, 3 pitney over there so. And some of the time the pitney no get no look after. But me say you're willing to settle down with Jody. And me tell you now, I don't want you to treat her bad, you know. Because you know, free family big. And even though sometimes it look like we don't agree, but anything, we stick up for each other. And anything we can defend each other. So nobody take Jody and pretend nice now when you take your boss up in your face or nothing. Jody is still a learn. You understand? Jody not so responsible. But she's learning. She's in a learning period because she's young. So you have to take your time with her. We come by now and then to come help her. But me not come to no servant phone. I'm not able to manage on own. Me give the right thing, you know. So it's a good thing for you as a young man get big. to want wife and children, but you have to have security too. You have to have somewhere to put them. You know, as marriage come, pitney come. And I don't know where you go do, but believe it in no hands. And that is a good decision. So when Jody come, you can talk about it.
No, yourself, man. I'm going to take care of Jody. Come, me love her. Mattress up there. A little sponge up there, we can hold it worry. Funny. Maybe further on down in our life, we can get a mattress, or two we can roll up on it. And
Mattress, piece of sponge. You know, you ever see the kind of bed that Jody there to sleep on? And you want Jody go put in a board house with piece of sponge. And you want to start family. Hey, hi sir. Well, as a matter of fact, una young people, so Jody must know. They okay then to work here, go put in the kitchen. You must know about you and Jody. You wait for Jody?
oh man, me check back for you later on. Until I have to see someone happy for me. Oh, me will pass back later.
Alright.
I'll check back for you later. Get someone happy for me.
Where you come from?
And my friend them me go check man and buy one drink and come back and see the idiot.
Which idiot that?
Hey boy, when you want to marry the sister and come pack up yours with pitney, you can't mind pitney.
You don't know if you can mind pitney. I know your business, Jody. A big man, you know. Me no want y'all to pack up in here, somehow not forget and go yourself, Jody. Find somebody to take care of him and take him out of the house. Make she go along. Where they watch Jody for? Jody know your pitney. Jody your sister. As a matter of fact, if you go get one woman and marry to and go on too.
I say old boy there, me don't like him, you know. So I breed one come, we keep breed for daughter and pay pitney in the house. So go sorry, you know. Go sorry.
So when you think come, they come talk about breed up. Before you go and go look somebody and breed up.
This is our boy we just talk about. But we try to see on the youth. We just have a family them here come pick up, talk to you know.
My youth. What me ever do you, you know like?
Man come out here, I talk to my sister, you know. I look my sister and just broke my sister heart, you know. And if I broke my sister heart, I broke my heart too, you know.
You ever see me do anything for your sister yet?
I see my man that will come here and let me could see what the man do for your sister. You know certain things, I'm mad now. But me love my sister, I protect my sister.
Yo, that's what you have in your head already. You see it? Because you go on like your sister. I don't chat to you. Don't do it. Lord. Lord, my youth, what me can do something? My youth, yo. Cool on, dude, my youth, yo.
Yo, you want to come back to my yard now? Yo, don't come back to my yard now, boy. I want to leave your sister alone now. If you come back here, me explain now, boy. We chop off him.
My youth, what you do? No, man, no, my youth.
Right, girl. Yeah, man. Hi, I'm here. Sorry.
So we are doing some acting and some lipstick business, so not getting no ideas. But anyways, in this one we are spending like a time with Miss Tori Shea Williams. But differently though, Tori, what have you been up to?
Differently, we're there for shoot movies. In our life, some things are going, yes, handling business same way. So I kind of know everything about that. But everything is good, everything is wonderful. We just want to get them movies out to you guys, right?
Okay, so I believe you're one of the persons who I did first set of videos with, like when I interview,
My name is Tori Shea, in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So tell me a little bit about what going on there, as I say now.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So, I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She's clueless.
Yeah,
we actually
I know
come
this
down
name.
here together. So, my name is Ackeen. From that time until now, like what changed with you and this environment?
Naturally, we just get more and more comfortable, with each and every member of the main cast. So yeah, like with Fire, Richard Brown, this one right here, so Ackeen, Alton. Yeah, we just get closer and closer, so we just get more comfortable and I don't know, like it.
Enough people that watch you don't really know who Tori is.
They wanna know who I am.
Well, probably. I don't know what you can do for help with know who Tori is.
Fine. Tori very business minded,
Business minded?
Yes. So
Hold on. When I want to make it robot,
let's not.
there has to be some amount of emotion in
Did I
this
get
being
there?
here.
There was a time when we did very interested in the same photography and videography here as well. Like me have my own camera and stuff, and we did do my little thing, but then we sort of lose the passion, and then they just kind of dive right into business. And then there was a time when we did too, as you must say, robot-like with the business. Somebody have to try to gain back some more of who I am, get in tune with my life, and then we start to do some planting. So farming is a very big part of my life right now. Yeah, I have my little farm where me get up and running so I can plant each and everything, because I don't know about food, world food shortage and all that. Really one bigger argument, but yes, I like to plant, I like to watch things grow.
Tell me some things you like though, apart from farming and business, like some little casual things that don't make money, them just, what do I call it now? They're just fun.
There's never a classy way to say binge drink.
Binge drink.
There's never a classy way to say it, but yeah, I like to enjoy myself, but not in a way with like a bag of crowd and a bag of people. I like great company, don't get me wrong, but I just like to. I'm a Sagittarian, and Sagittarians always like nice scenery. So anywhere that is really nice, it can be a beachside or a riverside, but any place with a nice ambience or something, yeah, I could just build right there and have my own vibes and sip a little drink and enjoy myself. Yeah, that's how I really enjoy myself. I don't really...
Sorry, to cut you off. I'm a Sagittarian myself. December the 6th.
Did you tell me this?
Did I?
I don't think you did, but maybe. I remember we did have one conversation there one time. We're kind of hazy.
Let me guess yours. December. You get the month, right?
You get the month. See, whenever I talk about it. Because me can't remember and you can't remember.
December 8th.
Close though. It's the 9th.
The 9th.
Yeah. And you're the 6th. Wow.
Wow. So we're both Sagittarians. So I can confirm you saying Sagittarians like scenic places, alone time. Yeah. So what else? Give a little icing on the cake now. Enough man out the tour, them see you, them just want all of this. Probably at least give you a hint of the kind of guys you like. Or if you could describe him physically, what does he look like?
Definitely like a man where healthy looking. I go start this one. So you have a nice build. Can't do maga.
Not like me, guys. Don't have this build, no chance.
Can't do maga. Have a nice little build, but definitely I don't like any form of thick. Is that too far? But yeah, that's me. I don't like thick people. I like people who see me.
You know, like no form of thick. Alright. Alright, so tell about him personality.
Definitely have to have reasoning ability. Like if we can hold a steady conversation about a topic, and like even if we have disagreements during it, we need to can reason. You can listen to my point, me if you can listen to yours, and then just communication, man. That's very important. And you have to be ambitious. When we say ambitious, then I say, yo, you have to be. But in a way, yeah, you have to be a monster at what you want. You have to go after what you want. Do your own thing, have your own thing going on, but at the same time, whenever we both agree, whenever we both have convenient time, then we spend it together. But otherwise, yeah, we young. We need to, even if you're not young, it really no matter still. It don't really matter to me now. We can't too old still, because after a time, can't really do nothing much. But yeah.
Okay. Now we're out. So before we let her go, I want to tell about family. Give you a little bit about family. But first, you tell what it means to you first, and then tell us about it. And then, as a matter of fact, before all of that, give us one of the stairs. Oh, one pointer. Don't date Sagittarius. You guys are both going to want the.
I know that.
But anyways, family.
Of course, family is very important to me because I grew up in a nuclear family. Yeah, them call that mother and father. And everything did good still, you know, I live a decent life growing up. I never needed for everything, anything. So, I love my mom and I love my dad, but we're not hella close. I don't know if some people that are close to like a one parent. Me and my mother cool, you know, we're pretty close. We can talk about anything, but we're like, we don't know, we're not hella close. So I have sisters as well, and we're not really close. But when we say not really close, that not means that we don't talk. We might not talk for a couple months straight.
Just a second.
Might not talk a couple months straight, but they're never.
No, I get you. I totally get you. I think everybody. I get you. I think everybody who are listening as well gets you. Why are you so distracting though? I just forget what my dog asked you a while ago.
The sincerity again.
Oh. I'm gonna ask you again. Something about family.
Oh, you did say what it means to me.
Oh yeah.
And then.
You said it was important, and then you were talking about
My father and my sisters.
What do you think if your parents were to tell someone about you? Like what do you think they would have said? Yeah.
They would say I'm their wash belly. I'm the last one, and they would say that I was always one of the brightest.
What high school did you attend?
St. Mary High.
St. Mary High.
And then
Big up St. Mary High.
Big up. But then we advanced to community college, and we did have a choice to leave this and go do whatever I want, and I chose to go to UTech, that's the University of Technology, and I did a couple of years there.
What did you study?
Same way. Crazy. It's called Communication Arts and Technology. However, it's basically media.
Okay.
I learned how to shoot, how to transition, script writing, everything from journalism to videography to public relations, everything with advertising, everything, all of that basically. So, they would say, I did well, but then there came a time when I say, Mom, put on all of this and just go out there and pursue life. And it wasn't really the decision that my parents would have made. But guess what? It's my life. So we make a decision to go out there, me and the bestie, and we start our own life out there in the streets until we rise, until we have our own place now. Finally, we used to, be roommating with friends and other students from university. Back in them days when we done school, and so we're hustling at the streets now.
May I cut you off again? I'm just looking at the camera and ask about probably some past relationships. Come away from the music, please. Like, would I really want to talk to at least one of the guys I'm with date and ask them what was the experience like? Dad, what do you think they would say about that though?
There's only really one person you could ask. As I said, there's only one sort of real relationship that I had. I'm a Sagittarian, come on. Only one.
Oh, shucks. You just strike one nerve. I've only had one.
What was wrong with my belly? My belly, they hurt me so much while in our shoes. And my dad said, oh, Ackeen wants me to do a video now and my belly hurt me. And it belly feels so much better since we're doing this.
Yeah, so not to get too distracted from my question,
Oh,
what would the ex-boyfriend say about Tori if he's not bitter or salty?
I think he is bitter because I didn't end it.
Oh, you ended it?
Yeah.
Do you have a reputation for ending things though?
Yeah, I have a reputation for starting things and not finishing them the right way. So yeah, when I don't give people closure, it's basically leaving a project before it's complete, right?
Was they never give him closure?
No. The thing is, as I tell about the reasoning ability.
Oh, okay.
It's I always express myself in a relationship, and this person kind of did have a little temper too, like myself. So arguments could get pretty intense, but it was a issue when we continuously I tell them about. You know, probably in a different ways it would have happened, but it would have come around to it being the same issue. We continuously tell you about this to the point where we get to arguments, and in the end, we just done with it. Like, it don't make no sense. There's no closure. What we need to give is the same thing when I'm gonna tell you again, right?
Alright, so I think that basically it. We can get one whole heap from your personality, from everything that you just said. Family, things you like, school, Yeah. Anything you want to say before we close the video? May I make you close it?
I don't like to tell people what to do, but I'm a vegetarian. Like, technically a pescatarian because I love seafood, and I recently started indulging in all kinds of seafood. But yeah, eat your vegetables, people. Be healthy, drink your water, hydrate.
Oh, my dad tell her I said I just cover the lens, but she never that hear me. Big up on yourself. Like the video, subscribe for your first time, and yeah, look more.
Yeah, dog, I tell a dog from what day I try to tell us, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog, yeah, man, because I don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I have to do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me to my
Well, I
face
don't even know who she, you know, but you see me? But remember what I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, you would have called. Chin, you rich man. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Man.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No joke.
Up top, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so.
Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma.
Okay, come in, man. Put on the toothpaste. If you sit down and talk. You
I'm
can sit
tired.
me.
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know,
Yeah.
my face looks so sour.
I know so she come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and me welcome you, but as you see time kind of stiff and you little work the one me do the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
And me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam 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 every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and staying here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
No, mommy no no money and you send me down here so if you go and look and work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for my work and me can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake or every now and then and sell. And me have the little bit them money what they give me, but me have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. No try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give, and me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and not go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and
I'll
you
behave
get along.
myself, grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up a many time to say, follow me go to church. You
Grandma,
know.
me will behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me if you do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out of your house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know say when they see you alone there, then go there fishing at my gate. And I don't want nobody at my gate there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from my gate, because I know they have a shot, they were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you
grandma.
from this first day you come.
No,
so
grandma,
can't say
you
me
know,
no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come to work. I don't have them listening on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
You don't
woman
like
is
that,
at the
grandma. You know if you say them sitting there, grandma. If you think
family. You can't
positive.
take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting down there they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need they see up there so come in and which part of the son will live. Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me
grandma.
will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
Me can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait, me pass the over here.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is stay.
Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. Which part did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up there do.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Well, on the girl. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man. All right. Take care of yourself. All right.
Miss Ponce. You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask, sir?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, sir.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, I do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
See, you don't know, so they look for me.
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left now. So you look over the place, so you afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish we could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Tell them. Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you already talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him?
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You have
Stick
to
up
know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What you going here, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, your reason, he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hide them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. Yep, you want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at what happening on my dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. What you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. What you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Her mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try no come back at me gate, you know. Now make me see you at me gate again. Oh,
disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about to come at me gate. Tell him where Lord Jesus, me say, the legal list arrive and it start already. It start already. Look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down here for?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come they ask about Miss Punsi. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody knows why
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you fly up and go.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, if you don't tell you say nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breed me through your gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I meditate gate.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go, not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means you're going to She kill up by herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So, basically we can link up on night time.
Why? So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see how we're ready.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Chat.
Miss Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time, me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, you know, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. We can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that what we are going to do now?
I have to go look and work or try do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are go on for we. You know what to do, mommy?
I stress the people, them and stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him there for a long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them will kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me I do road. What you say? You have one little man we talk to?
Well, mommy, I have only one skull and me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that. 4 months now, me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call me, I did it then. Call the man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know I'm pregnant though. Okay, white father. What do you mean white father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. I been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Still sexy? Always. Alright. Public! Public!
but wait. My God. How you coming? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make it simple too. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch your man, me I feel pain, hot.
I feel pain? My God, I can't believe it. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You don't want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water head, but I'm tonight.
I know easy at all. On a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure yourself for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell us I feel the pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, I'm sitting here. So right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could go get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want... Baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can you get me a true juice?
True juice? Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not at all. You don't want the baby hungry. Here?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be show my belly flat like mommy.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it, you know? If it, you're a true man.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and go and buy. Alright.
Babes, are really a flip right now?
Remember, say tell me, say I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come on, shoes.
Yeah,
Already?
Wagwan. Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up your VGG, you see. But anyways, it's a rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like come down here and say, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, But here we go, I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know so don't want to give, but my period come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent due.
I like your lips, sir. I really like your lips, sir. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. So you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And yeah, get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because why Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only dog in road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive a parade down there, sir?
Yes, man. Him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just diss me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Once something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. So you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, say you're there for your period. But could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, so. Eh? Who will you take me for?
I know, girl, babes.
Listen,
you know
listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you're there on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, I'll go home, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
You love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Manners and respect.
You, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp with us. Be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then.
Aye.
It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
That's so much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yo!
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of But I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go, I mean, I don't choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can say you owe me already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? Eh? In a grade 7. You remember them days, eh? But lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really know want to help me? Tell me for you,
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this man. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chop change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot coffee money you want. I'm lending you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess I know. Me don't want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? I'm going to pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because, you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we talk, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back and you know my money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, are we at the court date?
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you can get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking you can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly. Yeah, sister. I know your safety me I think about right now. A serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
Don't figure out something. I have to figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but I work pan to get it clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some my time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here. Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm going to run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We're going to do it for one whole heap of money. We're not doing it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm gonna make some call. You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. What you plan to do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? What happened?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? I'm from with you. Me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, the girl. Before I get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them spearmint here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. Me can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you say about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you say about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
How going on, sir? Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, girl, how far me I come from? So, Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright, that's all, man. You know what I mean?
So, public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, what? You don't think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, baby girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why not act so?
Let me tell you this. Are you act strange? You come like are you and Colgate and a malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there, so I don't really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama, and I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth on the back of your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle like business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say them mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you're finished, that is if you're new, when you're finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more hot contents like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, do you know some single fan with you, right? And me, I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know, say from with you, me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me daddy, and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure so everything good?
Yeah man girl, everything good man. So we asked about him and them.
Me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright?
Yeah man girl, everything alright. So we asked about him and them now.
Me nah have no corona, you know? But still, me nah know the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand. Kira.
Me I go so come here as well, right? See me a 3 man.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know Wagwan.
You and a good friend. You? Sit them guys. Man, shoot her, we can't give them words. My youth, what me you say you going with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
What me say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we I try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things. Eh? What problem?
No man. You get some bad to us. You just come accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
upper
think
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where me I come from right now. Kerry tell me say you, I know you know Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend here. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do something here. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Time. Clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them up. Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Gary!
Oi!
What on?
What there?
You know where Papa and me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa and me I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm going to tell you, I go back to
I can't take it mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on to come talk about me and watch him. But we tell people when my girl is, when my girl is, you're a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You want me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about me. I'm me do. You want me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. Just wait. Me want to see you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, help me. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road, you know.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once you jump on me foot, it they go kick. So talk.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girl is. When me know say him a girl clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girl
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see camera down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me have, you know, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about your business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
calm down, man. Wanna ease in yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Cause I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you go.
Go to my house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, you get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, man, bro, then.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just me, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you, you know.
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know. Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence into here, lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, homie?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. I mean for
Wait,
disturb.
somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, for say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello.
this.
If you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can come on.
Auntie boy, auntie.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know. I know you come and look this a girl. You one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there, so I look one girl, and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
Come here,
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here in Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit. And that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl, we are run them, me not run them down. You see what me there I do? Me I try if you know how to chocolate.
No. Where say I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'm fine when you want to go, me understand. No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me. No,
So you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, so I'm telling every day, so, you know, them. I can't say suckable. Can I say suckable? You start prepare food then?
No, I'm gonna do dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one now.
What?
I don't have enough flour and stuff for it.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you now get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, I do. Yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Bye.
Public. That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what
me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there?
She around there. She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You don't know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want to give me a little food around there, oh you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going there so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I don't wake up your wife. I don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No, man, I smell
no,
food.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell.
I want to
Sit down, man. Sit down. Take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know. Maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Here what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't move first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up, you know, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I bark me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, the man a smell the food from out there, so me nah share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. Step aside. Right, come on, get you. Yes.
You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. Here we are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass to your house and go talk to them. And them not talk, but me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work, me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep, and me no want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her, cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya, breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Popeye, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? You're mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yeah, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up and near me food, you know. Me nah let you done here. I put a blast. Yo, come pull the grill. Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is Public Report and Public with a K, Public Official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, man. Papa, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Papa.
Papa, you know. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're going to laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to do a 2 piece one. So to continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here tonight, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Who?
The dirty papa out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Who?
The dirty papa. Oh, man, I run him away.
Trust!
Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo,